Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide mentions on Instagram story. So through this video, I'm going to show you two alternative way to hide your mention on Instagram story. So the first one, here I'm going to just start by clicking on the plus your story to add a story first. Okay, so let's say I want to upload this photo as my story and I want to mention my friends. So here I'm going to just click on the text first and I'm going to find my friend's username on Instagram. Click on done. So if you can see this is the mention and I want to hide it from this photo. So if you want to do the same, you can just drag it up from your story, just drag it to the bottom, to the side, or to up like this until it doesn't visible on the photo. And after that you can just click on your story to upload it. So that's the first alternative way. And the second options, here you can just upload the story first. So here I'm going to just upload it to my close friends, for example. Okay, just wait until the story is uploaded. So after it's finished posting, here open the story and click on the more options or the three dots icon at the bottom, and there will be this add mentions option. So if you click on that, you can just find the usernames. For example, here I'm going to just for example, okay, mention this friend, and after that click on add. So when you do that, there will be no mention shown in the photo, so it's hidden. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.